na ay grouping sa usa ka statement. So ang inyo lang timan-an maka-grouping sa usa ka statement if ang statement is na ay more than 2 or 3 nga simple statements. So for example, kung maabot na siya 3 or 4, dira na dayon ka sa kahara mo gawas ang mga groupings. Now, unsaon man nato pagkabalo nga naay mga groupings? So what are the grouping symbols? When it comes to grouping symbols, no, naatay duha ka indicator since naatay duha ka way in writing compound statements. Now in symbolic form, ang ato ang indicator is ang mga parentheses. Okay, yun sa indicator nato sa symbolic form.
Parentheses.
Okay. So ang inyo lang timan-an in symbolic form, ganin ka ng statements inside a parenthesis are grouped together. So kana mga statements nga naa sa sulod sa parenthesis are grouped together. Now, for example, we have P and Q or not R. So which of the following statements are grouped together? Masakali ang ato ang indicator gani kinahanglan nakasulod siya sa parenthesis. Okay? So which of the following statements are grouped together?
Q over
Q and negation.
negation R.
Okay? So Q and negation R are grouped together because they are found inside a parenthesis or they are enclosed by a parenthesis. Okay? How about this one? We have P and Q or R. Which of the following statements are grouped together?
P and Q.
Okay, P and Q. So P and Q are grouped together. E ano gali? Because they are enclosed by a parenthesis. What?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last, how about P and negation Q? Or if P and negation Q, then R or S. Which of the following statements are grouped together?
P and negation Q tapos R and S.
Okay, so si P and negation Q are grouped together and R and S are also grouped together. So laylay sila nga group since laylay sila nga parenthesis. Do you follow? What?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So again, when it comes to symbolic form, ang atuang indicator is ang parenthesis. Yes? Stephen? Okay, nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Thumbs up sa mga taga 2A, be. Lahat dayon sa kuan, mga taga 2E. Okay. Now, how about if naka-statement siya or naka-English sentence? Now, in English sentence, ang atuang indicator is ang comma. So, unsa gani sa kuan? English sentence, ang indicator is
Comma.
okay. So, timanan lang nato, statements on the same side of a comma are grouped together. Now, again, kung sa symbolic form, parenthesis, ang sa statements or sa English sentence, ang atuang bantayan is ang comma. Okay, ang kuan, statements on the same side of a comma are grouped together. Now, for example, we have P, comma, and Q or not R. So, which of the statements are grouped together?
P and Q.
Q and not R, sir. Or
Okay,
negation
Q
R.
and not R. So, si Q o si not R are grouped together kay ngano gani?
May comma.
Comma, sir.
Sila sa right side sa comma. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again, statements on the same side of a comma are grouped together. So Q and not R or Q and negation R are grouped together because they are both on the same side of the comma. Naa sila sa right side. Nakuha? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how about P and Q, comma, or R? Which of the following statements are grouped together?
P and
P.
Q.
So si P and Q are grouped together because they are found on the same side or they are both on the same side of the comma. They are on the left side of the comma. So they are grouped together. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Kailan ba unsay comma?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So how about if P and not Q, comma, then R or S? Which of the statements are grouped together?
PN not Q, sir, o
Okay,
RNS.
P and not Q o R or
RNS.
R and S. So P and not are grouped together and R and S are also grouped together. So si P and not Q naa sa left side while si R og S naa sa right side. Do you
Right
follow?
side.
Kwa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So muna siya to ang timayla na kay pag-abot nato sa kuan, pag-abot nato karon sa translation, kinahanglan i-follow nato ni siya nga format. Now when it comes to kuan, when it comes to English sentence, ang kama ang ato ang bantayan. And when it comes to symbolic form, ang parenthesis ang ato ang bantayan. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's try this one. So let's translate compound statements. Now we have here the following statements. Statement P, you get a promotion. Statement Q, you complete the training. Statement R, you will receive a bonus. Write this statement. We have P and Q, or if P and Q, then R as an English sentence. So again, statement P, you get a promotion. Statement Q, you complete the training. Statement R, you will receive a bonus. So we will going to rewrite this symbolic form as an English sentence. So since si P and Q are grouped together, naka-group together sila, wala.
Naka-group, sir.
Naka-group together. So we will, pag-abot karon sa kuan kanang English sentence, ato silang is-separate by a comma. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
And then ang una po dito ninyo tanawon ani is i-check ninyo kung unsa ang connective nga naa sa gawas sa parenthesis. Unsa nga connective ang naa sa gawas sa parenthesis?
R.
Conditional, sir.
Conditional, right? So naata diri arrow to the right, so conditional. So we will going to start our statement with the word if. Conditional man, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is statement P?
To get a promotion.
If we get a promotion, sunod,
And
and kay conjunction man, P and Q, and
you complete
you
a
complete
training.
training. So nakagroup sila sa symbolic form. Nagabot sa
Sir.
sentence, i-separate na to sila by a,
Comma. Comma.
then
Then, you will receive a bonus.
you will receive a bonus. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So again, if you do not complete, if you get a promotion and you complete the training, comma, then you will receive a bonus. So this is if you get a promotion, that is statement P. Tapos ang N, that is conjunction. You complete the training, that is Q. They are separated by a comma, meaning i-enclose na to sila by a parenthesis. Tapos this is if then, so conditional. You will receive a bonus, that is statement R. So we have P and Q, then R. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
So mao ni siya kani nga symbolic form mo ni iyahang translation into English sentence. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
How about the others? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Be, kuan na be, thumbs up sa mga taga 2A. And then clap hands para sa mga taga 2E. Kung nakasabot. Sabot wala. Okay, so mura gina siya itong bantayan na ang groupings. Now, unsay timailhan na to pag naka-symbolic form?
Parenthesis, sir.
Parenthesis, pag ang kuan English sentence.
Comma.
Tama.
Okay? So how about this one? Right? If you do not complete the training, then you will not get a promotion and you will not receive a bonus in symbolic form. So we started with if then no. So this is conditional. So arrow to the right. So what is if you do not complete the training?
Negation Q.
So that is negation Q. Then you will not
Where?
get promotion. So si
Parenthesis.
nakama naman na i-parenthesis na nato na siya. So parenthesis, you will not get a promotion.
Negation P.
Negation P.
Conjunction.
Negation P. Conjunction. Very good.
Negation R.
Negation. Nakuha? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
How about the others? Do you follow? You follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, nakuha ang pag-translate? Or do you have any question? Question lang. Any question?
And so far.
And so far. Okay, how about you try this one? So we have here, let P, Q, and R represent the following. So we have statement P, Keisha's singing style is similar to Yufi's. Then statement Q, Keisha has messy hair. And statement R, Keisha is a rapper. So write this symbolic form as an English sentence. And write if Keisha is not a rapper, comma, then Keisha does not have a messy hair and Keisha's singing style is not similar to Yufi's in symbolic form. You daw. Sige, what's letter A? So what's the kuan? What's the gani? Connective sa gawa sa parenthesis. Kasi ang conditional, so we'll start with if. Sige daw, if
Keisha singing style is
the singing style is statement P man is similar to
Ufis.
Ufis
And
and okay and
Keisha has musical.
has messy hair. So naka-enclose na siya nga statement sa parenthesis pag-abot sa English sentence. Separate A, comma. Then
then
Kisha is a
Rapper.
rapper. So if Kisha's singing style is similar to Yufi's and Kisha has messy hair, then Kisha is a rapper. You follow?
Yes, sure.
How about the others? Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how about this one? If Kisha is not a rapper, then Kisha does not have a messy hair and Kisha's singing style is not similar to Yufi's. What is if Kisha is not a rapper? Kisha is not a rapper.
negation R, sir.
So that is negation.
Conditional line, sir.
Conditional. Very good.
Parenthesis, negation.
Parenthesis. Kisha does
Negation
not have a messy hair. Negation.
Q.
Q.
Negation P.
Conjunction. Negation.
P. Negation P.
You follow?
Yes, sir.
How about the others? Do you follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So nakuha unsaon pag-translate sa symbolic form into English sentence or English sentence into symbolic form? What? So
Yes, sir.
mailan ha? Atong sa previous na tong discussion, if it is simple statements just like this one, okay ra na. Pero dapat pag abot na gali sa mga compound statements nga medyo na siya daghan nga mga kuan kanang naka-include nga mga simple statements, kasagara gid na sa ila is naka-groupings na. So if naka-grouping sila, natay mga indicator sa symbolic form, dapat naka-parenthesis ang mga naka-group. And then sa English sentence, dapat i-separate nato sa comma ang mga statements po nga naka-group. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
So let's now go to the truth value of a conjunction. So unsa man ang truth value? So the truth value no is kanang unsa siya, is it true or false? Now when it comes to a conjunction, sa ng conjunction gani, what is conjunction? Statements nga gagamit og connective nga
Answer and.
and. Okay? So if a statement is a conjunction, so muna lang siya atong temailhan niya nga truth value. This is the condition kung kano sa siya ma-true or false. So the conjunction P and Q is true if and only if both P and Q are true. So again, the conjunction P and Q is true if and only if both P and Q are true. So kano sa ara ma-true ang usa ka conjunction if both simple statements are true.
True.
No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again, if both simple statements are true, then therefore the conjunction is true. So for example, So we have here the truth table for the conjunction P and Q. If P is true and Q is true, therefore the conjunction is true. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if both statements are true, the conjunction is true again. So if P is true, Q is false, the conjunction is
False.
anong false gani?
Kay dili true ang kuan
Kay
dyan.
need ang both nga true.
Okay, both statements should be true. Okay? So how about if P is false and Q is true? The conjunction is
False yapon, sir.
false. Okay? So again, ang condition sa usa ka conjunction dapat both statements are false. Now if both true day, sorry. Dapat both statements are true. Now if P is false and then Q is false also, therefore the conjunction also is false. What?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how about if okay, so again sa conjunction both statements should be true. Now how about if usa siya ka disjunction? So unsa gani ang connective nga gigamit sa disjunction gani?
Or, sir. Or.
Okay. Ang connective nga gigamit sa
Or.
disjunction is or. So the disjunction P or Q is true if and only if P is true or Q is true or both P and Q are true. So meaning kung naalay usa sa mga statements nga true siya, therefore the disjunction is true. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Again, kung naalay usa ka true sa disjunction, therefore the disjunction is true. Now for example, if P and Q are true, therefore the disjunction is
True, sir.
true. What?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if P is true, Q is false, the disjunction is
True.
true. Nganong true man?
Kay na may
Statement.
Naaman siya eh?
yung
True, right? Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If P is false, Q is true, the disjunction is
true yun, sir.
true. Okay, kaya naa siya isa ka true gihapon. Pero pag P is false and then Q is false, the disjunction is
False.
false. So, kano sa gali ma-true ang disjunction gani?
Pag may isang
True.
Ay isa ka true.
true.
Where both statements are true. Okay? How about kung conjunction? What is the condition for conjunction gani?
Both kay dapat.
True.
Okay, both statements should be true. What?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's try this one. Determine whether each statement is true or false. So we have here 7 is greater than or equal to 5. So again, kung ato ni siyang i-translate, no, this is 7 is greater than 5 or 7 is equal to 5. So this is the English translation of this one. No, 7 is greater than or equal to 5. So what is the connective nga gigamit?
Or, sir.
Or sa
Junction.
kuan gani pag disjunction dapat
Dapat na isa ka true.
okay ka true. Is 7 greater than 5? Is it true or false?
True, sir.
Greater than 5. This is true. Is equal to 5. Is it true or false?
False.
This is false. Pero since this is a disjunction, unsa man siya? Is it true or false?
True.
This is a true statement. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
So again or ang iyahang kuan, so the condition for disjunction dapat naalay usa ka true. So since 7 is greater than 5 is a true statement, so therefore the disjunction also is true. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
How about 5 is a whole number and 5 is an even number? So is 5 a whole number?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes, sir.
correct. Is 5 an even number?
False.
This is wrong. This is false. Unsa man niya ang connective nga gigamit?
Conjunction.
Conjunction. Unsa condition gani sa conjunction gani?
Dapat kay true ang duha.
So, na false, false, sir.
Ha?
Dapat true ang duha ka statement, sir.
So therefore, this statement is
False.
Oh,
statement. What?
False, sir.
Okay. Question
Yan so far.
so far. Okay, how about this one? 2 is a prime number and 2 is an even number. Is 2 a prime number?
yes, sir.
This is correct. Is 2 an even number?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
True.
Also correct. This is true statement. What?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So again, lahi ang condition sa conjunction, lahi po sa disjunction. Okay? Follow?
Yes, sir.
So how about this one? 21 is a rational number and 21 is a natural number. Is 21 a rational number? This is correct, right? Tama ba? Is it true or false? Sa meaning sa rational number day? Unahan. Sa meaning sa rational number? Wala na sila kanumdum sa irrational number.
Ang ilang kwan, sir, denominator kay dapat dili zero. Dili
Okay,
equal to
full number, no? Kanang ma-ratio nato siya, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, since 21 is kuan man, di ba, ang 21, kung ato siyang ikuan, na siya over 1, right? Or any whole number, na sila denominator nga 1. So, therefore, 21 is a rational number.
Yes,
So,
sir.
correct. Is 21 a natural number? This is also correct. So, since this is a conjunction, naman siya, is it true or
True,
false?
sir. True, sir.
That is true. Ha?
Yes, sir.
So how about this one? 4 is less than or equal to 9. Again, 4 is less than or equal to 9. Is it true or false? Is 4 less than 9?
Sir, true, sir.
True. Is 4 equal to 9?
False.
Pero usama
False, sir.
true, sir.
disjunction.
False.
Disjunction.
This is
Disjunction man, sir.
statement. Disjunction man siya. Sa kali condition sa disjunction gani dapat
Isa ra.
Dapat sa
Ay, dapat. Ay, isa true.
ay
or
usama.
true.
So how about the last one? Negative 7 is greater than or equal to negative 3. Is negative 7 greater than negative 3?
False.
False, sir.
No? Is negative 7 equal to negative 3?
False.
False.
False. Therefore, this statement is
False.
False.
false statement. What?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
again, manaan lang na to
Yes,
mga conditions sa pag-conjunction, both statements should be true. Pag disjunction, dapat naalay usa ka true. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Question? One
And so far.
and so far. So, gamay na lang. Kanina lang, last na lang. Okay, so let's have quantifiers and negation. Unsa kay litong meaning sa negation gani? Negation meaning atong i-negate ang statement or atong i-contradict ang statement. So, typically, kung magkuhan ta og negation, we will going to use the word not, right? For example, today is Monday. What is the kuan? Kanang negation of today is Monday.
Today is
Today
not
is not Monday.
Today is not Monday. Or kung mag-negation ako, natay statement nga today is not Wednesday. What is the negation of the statement? Today is not Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday. So that is the negation. Ana siya, magamit na to na siya nga pag-write sa negation if the statement is not quantified. However, kung naagalit tay mga quantified statements, naatay i-follow nga rules. Unsa man ang mga quantifier nga ato ang ginastoryahan. So we have two types of quantifiers now. First is existential quantifiers and the other one is universal quantifiers. So unsa day difference ani nila? For example, the word some or the phrases there exists or at least one are called existential quantifiers. Now, for example, kung mayon ko nga some of the students passed the exam. Unsa may meaning? Some of the students passed the exam. So there are students who passed the exam and there are those students also who did not pass the exam. So it asserts the existence of something nung naay nakapasar sa exam. You follow? Apoy what?
Yes, sir.
That is why it is called existential. Now, what is the difference din niya sa universal? Universal quantifiers, for example, kana magamit og word nga none, no, all, and every. These are our universal quantifiers. For example, mayroon kung no students passed the exam. So meaning, wala gyud, universal, wala exemption, wala gyud nakapasar, right? Tama?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or all students pass the exam. So meaning all students pass the exam. Wala exemption, wala nabagsak. So that is universal. Okay? So ang ato lang timanan ani when it comes to quantifiers, for example na atay statement nga okay. Nalita natin statement nga all dogs are mean. Isa gani dapat ang pag-write nato sa negation?
Not all.
Kung mayroon ta karon og negation, dapat kung ang statement is true, the negation must be false, di ba? Panalitan balik ta gamay sa negation na to ko. Balik ta gamay today is Tuesday. If this is the statement, what is the negation? Today
Today
is
is not.
Tuesday. So inyong timan-an, pag mag-write ganito og negation, it must depend on our statement. Now, if the statement is false, the negation should be true. Nakuha? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Unsa kali dapat ang sa negation? Pag ang statement false, the negation must be
True.
pag
True.
ang statement true, the negation must be
False.
False.
false. So, panalitan, pag ato ang statement is all dogs are mean, pwede ba ta mo write og no dogs are mean? Is it correct?
Dili, sir.
Eh, unsa kalito dapat sa negation gani? If the statement is false, the negation should be
True.
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 The statement is true, the negation must be false. So kung ato i-analyze, all dogs are mean. Tanan ba dogs mean? Dili. So this is false statement, right? So kung i-write nato siya as no dogs are mean, is it correct? Is it true or false? False.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
False ra gihapon siya. So unsa gali dapat sa negation gani? Dapat himuon nato siya nga
True.
true. Now, in quantified statements, ang inyuha lang timan-an, tanawon ninyo unsa siya nga quantifier. So if the statement uses a universal quantifier, the negation should use existential. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again, pag ang statement mo gamit siya og universal, dapat pag abot sa negation, sa iyahang gamiton, existential. Okay? Diba?
Yes, sir.
Or bali, pag existential ang gigamit sa statement, ang iyahang negation dapat
Universal.
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 In this case, dili ni siya pwede nga moingon ta sa negation nga no dogs are mean. So we will going to use the kuan kana unsa ni siyang all? Is it universal or existential?
Universal.
Universal.
Universal. So dapat pag-abot sa tuang negation mo gamit tag existential. We will going to state this one as some dogs
Some.
are not. Ako?
Yes, sir.
If this is our kuan negation, correct na ba siya? Is it true? False man nato ang statement. Dapat pag-abot sa negation, matrue na siya. So some dogs are not mean. So this is true.
True.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pinisulod napit ang tamahuman. Okay, so mura ninyo ang timanan na pag ang statement uses universal, dapat iyang negation existential. Or pag ang statement mo gamit siya existential, dapat sa negation mo gamit siya og universal. So, I think you should memorize this one. So, muna siya ang statement and the negation. Pag naagalit tayo statement nga all x are y, its negation is some x are not y. So, we have here universal. Pag-abot sa existential, pag-abot sa iyang negation, mo siya og existential. So, again, pag all x are y, ang iyang negation is some x are not y. Ito kaganina, all dogs are mean. Pag abot sa iyang negation, some dogs are not mean. You follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So pag napo kay statement nga no x are y, ang iyang negation is some x are y. Ako ha? Diman niya. So pabali na dayon ta, pag natay statement nga some x are not y, so its negation is all x are y. Okay? And then, kung naapot tayo statement nga some x are y, ang iyahang negation is no x are y. So, timanan lang nato na siya nga mga na table. So, for example, some airports are open. So, what is the negation of this statement? Some airports are open.
All.
So, some x are y. So, what is the negation of some x are y?
No X.
Many X R Y.
So, no x are y. So, we will write no airports are what?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about the others? Do you follow?
Sir.
Okay. So, how about this one? All movies are worth the price of admission. All movies are worth the price of submission. That is all x are y. So, what is the negation of all x are y?
Some X
Some
are
X
not.
are not Y.
Some x are not y. So, that is some movies are not worth the price of admission. You follow?
Yes, sir.
So all x are y, some x are y. Okay, last. No odd numbers are divisible by 2. No X, R, Y. So what is the negation of no X, R, Y?
Some X
Y.
and Y.
So some odd numbers
Are divisible by 2.
are divisible by huh? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So last, how about this one? All bears are brown. All X, R, Y. What is the negation of all X, R, Y?
Some
Some
X
bears
are not
are
brown.
brown.
So some, man,
X
some
Bears are
What?
brown.
bears
Some
are not.
bears are not brown.
Brown.
You follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So kanin, no smartphones are expensive.
Some smartphones are expensive, sir.
Some smartphones are expensive. No XRY, some XRY. Okay, last. Some vegetables are not green.
All
All
vegetables
vegetables are green.
All vegetables are
Green.
okay, very good. Okay. Kuha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question.
And so far.
So thumbs up if nakuha ang kuan lesson. Or clap your hands if nakuha. Okay, gamay ra ang nakakuha din. Okay, so I'll be posting your grades later. Kasi karon, then check your kuha na lang, check your gani kana gani portal.
Yes, sir. Portal.
Kuha na. Okay. So if there are no more questions, thank you everyone and then see you on next week.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.